Well, this is the time of year where people try to better themselves by eating right and exercising and taking care of their health. Well, this may include a healthy, bright white smile, but as you know, it can be costly. Well, joining me now is Dr. Jerry Kaiser with Total Freedom Dental Implant Center to tell us about their new price and how to best choose an implant center that has the best quality products and services. And welcome back to Sonoran Living Live.
Good morning. Good morning.
Always good to have you here. So, Dr. Kaiser, let's talk about this. There are several implant centers around town.
Right.
How is Total Freedom different, and how do you distinguish yourself?
Well, at Total Freedom, unlike other dental implant centers, what we've come to realize is that we're not actually in the business of selling dental implants. What we are is interested in providing patients with the best and most predictable way to replace missing or badly damaged teeth. Now, as it turns out, dental implants will almost always be the best way to replace a missing tooth. However, sometimes it will be in the patient's best interest to keep their own teeth to support dental work. So at Total Freedom, what we try to do is help patients make this decision because we really don't have a vested interest in just dental implants.
Well, how does a patient decide that? I mean, we've all been taught we should keep our own teeth if we can. How do we decide if we should keep them or consider implants?
A general rule of thumb patients can use is this. As the complexity and expense of the proposed dental treatment increases, the amount of time before that dentistry will fail and need to be replaced decreases. And that relationship just doesn't hold true with dental implants. Our research has shown that dental implants will last a very long time, if not a lifetime.
Wow, you really got to do the math.
Right.
I mean, when you think about it, that makes absolute total sense. And, you know, there is this common perception that dental implants are just, you know, too expensive, out of reach for us.
Right.
Is that true?
Well, like we just talked about, you know, if conventional dentistry is going to fail and you have to replace it, compared to a dental implant procedure that's going to last much longer, the overall cost will be less. So, you know, let's face it, when patients are missing teeth, or when their mouth is, you know, just not in very good shape, they know they're going to have to spend some money to fix things up.
You bet.
So I think what they're interested in is choosing and being informed about their options so they can choose the treatment that best meets their needs and stays within their budget. And we help patients with that. You know, when you talk about expense, we believe that patients actually want the maximum value for the dollars they spend. And that's the reason that we formed Total Freedom. We felt that by combining two large dental practices and most importantly, two paid-for dental practices, that we could keep our overhead very low and then provide superior service at a price point that is below our competition. And I think we've been successful in doing that.
Well, good to know. I mean, it sounds like you've done it all for us, and as a consumer, I know that they will certainly appreciate that. And as a result, Total Freedom, they can be reached at 480-860-9002. For more information, you can set up a consultation, or you can check them out at TotalFreedomDentalImplants.com. And guess what? They're also on Facebook. Thank you so much, Dr.
Thanks.
Kaiser. Good information.